Hi everyone, welcome to the Lovely Ladies collaboration for September 1st, 2021. We're coming towards the end of 2021 and I would like to let everybody know first that I am not going to continue the Lovely Ladies collab in 2022. So if anyone else would like to take it over for me, please let me know. And I'll be happy to turn over the reins. And if you'd like to do that before the end of 2021, that's fine too. Just let me know. You can email me. My email address will be below, or leave me a message below and with your email and I'll get back to you. Okay, so what I used, our theme actually is, I think, autumn colors. Let me see. Yes, autumn colors. And of course this is not Stampin' Up! Related, but I used this little gorgeous girl who is number 11, You Brought Me Love, and I did because it has a little squirrel and a pile of leaves. So I only made one card and here it is. And unfortunately I made this and the ones for the next collab up later today about a month ago, and I didn't record it, so I don't even remember what paper and things I used. I do know this is cinnamon cider. This is cinnamon cider, and these look like the Stitch So Sweetly dies to cut out these little scallops. And this is Stampin' Up! Ribbon also, and it is the Fine Art ribbon, 3/8 inch. So I used that, and I believe I used Stampin' Up! Watercolor pencils this time to color in her and the leaves and the squirrel, everything basically. So that is my card, and I stamped hello and I'm so glad you're in my life. Those are from Stampin' Up! But I don't remember which stamp set it was, so I apologize. But that's what I used, number 11, and I colored her a little different to get the fall colors, oranges, reds, yellows, and the cinnamon cider. And yeah, her hair I think is a little bit of pumpkin pie and maybe daffodil delight. I can't, the colors are, we don't have all the colors in the pencils. And then I think I used the blending brushes, which are come in a 3-pack. To blend out the colors a little bit. Yeah, these blender pens, not blending brushes, blender pens for blending chalks and water-based inks, it says, but I used them with the watercolor pencils. And then these are the brand new gems in the mini catalog, and these are the gold color ones. They come in gold, copper, and bronze, I think it is. So there you go. That's my Lovely Lady card for the month of September. I hope you'll join us again for October 1st and through November and December. Also this month, I don't think Paige, who is Stamp Girl, is posting. She's got a lot going on in her personal life right now, so she may not be posting much of September at all, just so anybody who watches or follows her knows. But she did let me know she probably wouldn't be posting most of the collabs right now. So if that changes, I'm sure she'll bring it up on her channel. And if I find out, I'll let you know. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check all the other collab participants, and I'll talk to you next time. Happy fall soon. Bye for now.